morality, you don't have ethics, then I am writing here, I'm just trying to give you this means in autograph that you will be failure because you are not having good morality. So you have to focus on morality, you have to focus quality, and top of all character first. Every detail to everybody, character first. No matter what you are, no matter from where you are coming, no matter where you are going, matter is that my character is sound and it will be perfect till the last breath of my life, because only a characterful person can make a prolific and fertile society. A highly posted person can only expose but he cannot make. Why? Because what the person is speaking, that has to be realized, that should be in practical. So practically we all have to be bona fide. You should know, I should know what I am, what I is, that should be known to only by self. So I just again request that being a teacher, being an ideal teacher, your mentor, your guideliner, your motivational speaker and whatever, just try to follow education. Don't follow any guru, but follow the matter of guru, the quotations of guru, the footprint of guru, the history of guru, what they have done and how they have done. Only just taking a picture is not a matter that I am respecting Sarpalli Radhakrishnan, but we have to also check ourselves that how many qualities, how many sanctities, how many moralities we are taking from that personalities. It is the real education, and only that person can stay for much longer. Otherwise, getting post means earning, means bribery and dowry, that is not a matter. Nowadays only bribery and dowry is earned. Oh my God, I am successful. Even one clerk becomes and thinks that I am better than a teacher. It is the blunder. Suppose one student is preparing for any examination and he becomes successful in a job, then he feels, even his guardian start feeling that now my son is better than any teacher. It is blunder, dear. It is Himalayan blunder. It should not be there, because only that creates a blind ego. Then that guardian, that student become egoistic and they become failure in future. So lastly, I want to conclude that just respect Teachers Day and try to get some oath and try to do good work in your future, so that our society will be brighter. That's all. Thank you, and thank you very much. And now I just want to call, one by one 5 students of my school who have got their position and in a speech round, because I had given a topic. तो मैंने कुछ टॉपिक्स दिए थे सभी बच्चों को जिनका हम लोगों ने टेस्ट लिया है, और आज 1 to 5. So on 5th position from class 1 he is Priyanshu Kumar. Where is Priyanshu?
सर आई वांट टू से समथिंग।
Yes.
सर बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट हैं ना, वो आपको गिफ्ट देना चाहते हैं।
अच्छा,
मैं चाहता हूँ जो आप लोग गिफ्ट दे दें।
सबसे बड़ा गिफ्ट है आप खूब पढ़े, आगे बढ़े, आप एक अच्छा इंसान बने, आप मेरे जैसे इंग्लिश बोले, हमसे अच्छा बोलें. दिस इज माई ड्रीम. माई ऑल स्टूडेंट शुड बी बेटर देन अभय राठौर. बस मेरा यही सपना है कि हमसे सब बच्चे, चाहे लड़की हो लड़के हो, आप लोग स्कूल के बच्चे हो, हमसे सभी अच्छे बने. अगर मैं ये माइक किसी के माथे में लगा दूँ, वो हमसे अच्छा इंग्लिश बोले. दिस इज माई ड्रीम. ओके, आई जस्ट वांट टू रियलाइज एंड प्रैक्टिकलाइज विद इन सम कपल ऑफ ईयर्स. ओके, और मैं इन चीज़ को करूँगा, एडुकेशन को हर घर में पहुँचाऊँगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू. एंड नाउ ऑन 5th पोजीशन आई वांट टू इनवाइट, एंड ही इज 5वें पोजीशन पे है. थैंक यू. वो है प्रियांशु कुमार, क्लास 1. व्हिच प्रियांशु? यू आर, प्लीज कम. प्लीज इनका आप 5वें पोजीशन पर है. 1 पेंसिल, दिस इज योर रबर, दिस इज योर cutter. Okay, so God bless you and thank you very much. Please take a photo. Thank you. God bless you. Go. And on 4th position, and he is from class 3, Sumit Kumar. Yes, please come this side. आ जाओ. ये 4th पोजीशन का है. ये भी आपके लिए एक पेंसिल है, ये आपके लिए एक रबर है, और जहाँ गलती होगा उसके लिए रबर है, और जब पेंसिल छीलना होगा उसके लिए कटर है. खूब पढ़िए, ठीक है. थैंक यू. Okay, God bless you. And now the first, second and third. अब जो first, second और third हैं उनका नाम. So on 3rd position, and she is a girl, women empowerment, example of women empowerment, and she is from class UKG, and she is Ayushi Kumari. So please give a very big hand for Ayushi Kumari. Come on. 3rd position. And this is your pencil box, very very cute pencil box. Please come here. Please take a photo. आप लोग फोटो ले लीजिए. बहुत अच्छी बच्ची है ये, और इसे मैं बहुत प्यार करता हूँ, और ये बहुत आगे बढ़ेगी. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच. गॉड ब्लेस यू. एंड नाउ ऑन 2nd पोजीशन ही इज कृष्णा कुमार फ्रॉम क्लास 3. प्लीज कम. एंड ही इज ऑन 2nd पोजीशन. कृष्णा, दिस इज योर पेंसिल बॉक्स, पेन बॉक्स, वॉट एवर यू कैन यूज. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू. एंड नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर टॉपर. सबसे अच्छा मार्क्स कौन लाया? and he is Mr. Aditya Kumar from class 2. So please give a very big hand to Aditya. Wow, आपके लिए बहुत बड़ा बॉक्स है. Please take it. Okay. And thank you very much and God bless you. फोटो ले लिए? इसका तो फोटो जरूर ले लीजिए. बहुत है ना? ठीक है, टॉपर है ये. Very good. चाहिए. Thank you very much. And now all the, I think seniors are requested. Please try to distribute the cakes. अभिषेक जी, बच्चे सबको थोड़ा खिलाइए.
ठीक सर.
हाँ, बच्चे सबको हाँ कुछ खिलाइए.
अभी आप ठीक